Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. In one of my older videos, I showed you how to create an invoice using Google Sheets. And on that particular video, I got a question about how to change the currencies on the invoice, right? I never really did that before. It's a very good question. So let me show you how to do that today. So let me just scroll down to the body part of this invoice here. And generally I use dollars, right, when creating my invoices and everything. But other people use like pounds, euros, different type of currencies, right? So let me show you how we can set up that. So let me just go in this particular area here that we would like to change the format the currency. And we're going to go into format and we click on number. Click on this arrow here, just pull across here. And we're going to come down this area here. Every different type of formatting here, financial, accounting, currency, that sort of thing. But it's all set for dollars. Okay, we need to change a different type of currency. So we're going to come down here to more formats. Click on the arrow. And we're going to see more currencies. Click on that. And here we have the different currencies here. Just scroll down. And search for the currency you're looking for. Let's say we're looking for euros. Let's see. Here it is, euros. Click on that. And apply. And it's that simple. So this particular $200 is now being changed to 200 US. Let me just do the entire, all the information. Money part for currency. Let's do it again. Go into format, number. Come across here and go down to this option of formats. I'm going to go across here, click on more currencies, and this is to the top now. So just click on that and click on apply. And that's it. That's how you change the currency in Google Sheets. So if you enjoyed this video and you have any questions to me on Google Sheets, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to leave an answer for you. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.